Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Are you interested in beginning a new manufacturing business? Or expanding an existing one? Or simply learning more about how to start a business in a number of industries? Then you have arrived to the right place and you must watch the complete video with us. In this continuously developing and changing market, NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that concentrates on project reports compilation, and we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. NPCS also publishes a monthly magazine, Entrepreneur India, since 1995. Which is widely read by entrepreneurs, businessmen, etc. If you want to establish your own manufacturing unit, then NPCS can provide you the following services. Planning and executing a project. Every day, well-intended projects fail. Every project has its own challenges and hence needs unique solutions to solve the issue. NPCS integrates our project management understanding with our experience supporting entrepreneurs and startups to offer a pathway to venture success that works for them. Effective execution. Business achievement and profitability depends on whether the entrepreneur has efficiently identified and met the client's desire and dreams. In transferring a commercial enterprise opportunity into becoming a thriving business, NPCS offers a well-timed venture path within a selected window of possibility to meet a customer's needs and goals. Deliver projects better. NPCS enables an entrepreneur to uncover hidden challenges that has been holding their projects back, so that their people, approaches, and equipment are constructed for lasting fulfillment. Most significantly, we make sure everything we do collectively helps an entrepreneur's organization's approach and culture. Enhancing value through expertise. NPCS has been offering its project management consultancy, which is flexible for every type of business, from small-scale business to large-scale business enterprise. NPCS is an unbiased consultancy targeted at energizing production, infrastructure, and change projects. We deliver the technical information to bring structure, assets, and transformational modification projects that are improving people's lives. Technology books for entrepreneurs. NPCS provides a massive variety of publications that are up to date on an everyday basis to pick out a worthwhile project for making an investment by throwing light into critical areas like modern day strategies, product packages, a manufacturing process of the product, and equipment information. Project Management Consulting. NPCS consists of the right engineers who are able to provide world-class delivery for any part of a customer's project. Because of our substantial experience in managing big projects, we recognize contractors and their skills all over the world. This places us in the best position to tuck together the diverse strands of a client's project. NIIR Project Consultancy Services can prepare project reports on any business idea you have. The project report includes all parts of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities such as equipment and machinery, raw materials, and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants, and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have profited from the NPCS project report. NPCS also publishes technical, reference, self-employment and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which may be found on the official website. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like it. Also, click on the bell icon. Please visit to our website for more informations. And you can reach us at You can follow us on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google My Business, Scribd, SlideShare. Links are given below in the description. So see you again. Till then, goodbye.